can create a bug tracking project on Ruttl. To do so, ensure that you are logged into our Chrome extension, head to New Project, create a bug tracking project, give it a name, and enter the URL. Once your project is created, ensure that you open the website. Now you'll see on the bottom left that the bug tracking floating capsule is live. Click on that and start adding your comments. For example, we want to replace the content. So we add the comment. Now the ticket is created successfully. In a similar fashion, you can create your ticket on other instances as well. For example, we've asked to reduce the line spacing by 2. You can head back to your project and see that the tickets are created like this. Share the project with your collaborators. You can always go to browse mode to ensure that you scroll through or browse through the website just like you'd regularly do on your Chrome browser. For example, we are going to About Us page and now clicking on comment mode to ensure that this content is replaced. That's it. Ensure that you add your website or your web page and scroll through it to keep noticing bugs, add them to Ruttl, and get rid of them at the earliest possible.
We'll be seeing how you can enable the Chrome extension on your Ruttl account. You can do so by following one of the two methods. First, click on the Chrome extension button over here, or you can go to Account Settings, go to Chrome extension, and click on Download. Once you add this to Chrome, it'll give you a success message. You can now head back to your account. Now you will see that Ruttl has been signed in, and it asks you to open this extension on some other tab to add the pages. In our case, we have opened Brutast. Now what you can do is you can create your own new project. For example, web app only. Keep the project type to web application and create project. Now you can go back to your logged in screen, click on Ruttl extension, select the project and click on add page. You will get a success message when the web page has been added. You can also add more pages. For example, just like this. Click on add page. The web page has been added. Now you can go to your project, open the page and review them just like you would review your regular websites. So you can add comments, you can edit the content, you can edit the code, move elements along. And this is how you can ensure that your web app is reviewed perfectly on Ruttl.
How you can integrate your Ruttl account with Slack. To do so, simply head in your account settings, click on integrations, switch on the toggle of Slack over here. You'll see a confirmation that Slack integration has been enabled. Now you'll have to select the project where you would like to see this integration. So head inside the project, click on project options and connect to Slack. You can now select the channel where you would like to integrate your Ruttl account and click on allow. You will see a confirmation that your Slack has been connected successfully. That's Feel free to let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. We'll be more than happy to address them. We'll see how you can use the comment mode on Ruttl. By default, all web pages load in comment mode. To place your comment, simply hover on the element where you want to place your comment, click on it and add your comment. So for example, I want the team members to change this title. A comment is now placed. You can also mention someone in your comment. For example, I want to mention Sunny and ask him to change the content as per last discussion. Now Sunny will get a notification on his Ruttl saying that he has to change the content. You can see all the comments in the activities panel over here, which is in the right hand bottom side.
As soon as you click on Activities panel, you can hover on any comment and it will take you to the exact position where the comment has been placed, and also start highlighting the comment on the screen, which you can see right now. In case of Sunny's comment, if he wishes to reply to my comment, he can do so by simply clicking on the comment and replying his comment over here. Sunny can also mark my comment as resolved, which will take the comment to the resolved position. If I feel that there is still some change that needs to be done, I can always mark this comment as unresolved, and it comes back to the regular comment panel. You can always edit your own comments. So for example, you can just click on the comment, go to the menu over here, click on edit and add whatever you want. For example, and press enter. Your comment will now be edited. You can also delete your comment if you wish that it is not necessary by clicking on the menu and clicking on delete over here. This will simply delete the comment. See how you can use the edit mode on Ruttl. With edit mode, you can change the title. For example, you can also move it to the left, right, top or bottom positions. So now I'm moving it a bit to the left using my keyboard arrow keys. To be precise, 20 pixels to the left. And now I'll even move it a bit to the top. To be precise, 15 pixels to the top. I want to shift this image to the right. So I'm just using my keyboard arrow keys and shifting this to the right. I also want to ensure that this subtext over here is moved a little bit to the top. Now, I also want to change an image which is present over here. So I click on the image, go to replace image and photo library. I'll click on people, use this image, adjust the zoom level. I'll also ensure that the opacity of this paragraph is reduced slightly, to be precise 70%. And now I'll hit save changes. It says changes have been saved successfully. Now, how do you view all these changes? As you saw in the entire video, I have made multiple changes, moved sections along, made content changes, and even changed the image over here. You can see all of these in the activities panel. You can open each of these cards and see the exact change that I have done over here. When you hover on the card, it will take you to the exact position where the change has been made. You can even copy text. So for example, if I copy text, it gives me a confirmation. Your developer could directly use this and paste into live website files. That's quite simple, right? This is how you can use edit mode in Ruttl. See how the team plan can be activated on Ruttl, and we'll also explain the benefits. To do so, simply click on Team, Create Team, View the plans, select the number of members that best suit your plan, and upgrade to Team. Now you will have the option to select between monthly or yearly. Click on Make Payment, select your country from the drop-down, and click on Make Payment. Once the payment is received, you can edit your team name, you can start adding your members. Just enter their email address, select the level of access that you would like to give them, and add them. It will give you a confirmation that the team users have been updated, and you can now have them give the complete access of your team plan. When we say complete access, it basically means that your team members will be able to add projects, they'll be able to add new URLs, they'll be able to create versions, and they can also delete or archive web pages from your project. That's it. Let us know in the comments below if you feel you have any doubts, and we'll be more than happy to assist. Look at how you can place a video comment in Ruttl. To do so in comment mode, click on the place where you would like to add a video comment. Select the video comment icon over here. Select the level of screen that you would like to show in your video and press share. You will hear the sound that will be a confirmation that your video recording has started. As soon as you finish delivering your feedback, you can stop recording the video.
You can also preview the video. You will hear this sound that will be a confirmation that once you confirm that the preview has recorded your entire feedback, you can save the video and it will reflect in your comment. You can also check the same in your activities panel. You can click on it, reply on it, or even delete it if you feel that it's not needed. People on the other end can also resolve this and things can keep moving forward. See how you can use the inline text editing feature on Ruttl. To do so, in edit mode, select any text, click on edit text, and then select or highlight any text that you wish to make bold, italic, or underline. Now you have the inline editing text tool available right over here. You can click on bold, italic, or underline, or even three of them together, and then your text will be edited. Click on Save Changes. Your changes will be saved and will be reflected in the Activities panel as well. See how you can use the ESigning feature of Ruttl and ensure that your pages get approved quickly and move to the production stage even quicker. To begin with, only a project owner can select an approver. For example, I can make Pranesh as the approver over here since I am the owner. I can also make me as the approver. As a project owner, I can make as many approvers as I want. I can also remove them from approvers and mark someone else as an approver at any point of the time. Now, how does it look like to an approver? For example, when the approver opens his or her web page, he or she will see this option saying mark approved. When the approver clicks on this, no more comments or edits will be possible until unless it's unapproved again. This is done to ensure that the approval process is smooth enough and that websites get to the live stage as early as possible. If the approver wishes to mark this page as not approved to allow for more comments and edits, he or she can do so by just clicking over here and the page will be marked as unapproved once again. That's it. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next one.